In this video, I'd like to do a quick unboxing of this VGA Selector. Let's have a look what's in the box. We've got a remote over here. It's got button 1 and button 2. There's a 9-volt power supply there and a user manual. So what you would do is you would use this output port would run to, say, a VGA projector or a monitor, and then you would have 1 and 2. So you can connect up 2 computers, or you can connect up a computer monitor and 2 DVRs, for example, where DVR1 and DVR2, and then you would either press these buttons to flip between the two, or you would use the remote on that little IR sensor there to flip between the 2 different sources. That way you don't need 2 monitors or 2 cables or have to manually pull them out or plug them in. If you guys have got any questions or comments, please feel free to make them below or get in touch with one of our branches and we'll do our best to help you.